You was saying we say give time some time to expose time. I was your comedian as well. Ghana for ehunu end for omunchom. Yehu omoto LGBTQ plus ben we say ombeso me fragadam ombeso mbesan. Eno ana Ghana for ebu ofu say he. Mo ga say nkwase afọ krache. He, bill na mo besan. Mumpu Sam George mo besan. Me mo nchiri mu no akere wadwe ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so say any demo. Obe like video no that my subscribe button na ba click notification icon no latest update na ba kire wa adwena ba me e wo comment section me so basfa no wa share for so anya be say Sam George any useless bill there Sam George any bill ye nim opposition e go fa anti LGBTQ plus bill e ba ye say go for ensign any yini ni minimum oba ba mu so that wa forget here no e go fa cyber crime security bill ye be ka one sem later we forget here no answer na over kai LGBTQ plus bill Sam George call Ghana parliament no ye the bobo go for the minimum Emma even Sam George na ka say a good for edin Trumu sebe odin Trumu we gay anytime we so sign that bill no na on sign onye gay on sign na o ma wi ase yan we so no a good for onye gay enti wa sign that bill yes Sam George e ka say pa oye dede Emma go say we ka say Mahama ba no wan sign am Sam George Mahama very tough time on the internet they say dede ye TV o Ghana hanam e we nyina say na fragadam na nsian ana minority e bill no so e wo parliament o mu se masa bon fan to ba bi ansa obuko board of parliament no and this one just move forward no to baby you be Sam George question Sam George na bill no wo ba ye wo na de ba Ghana parliament then I will come found in office or just on a bill here ni bi o mo ehia wo mu ana o mo ka ho asem na e no na comedian say one for just Sam George nyame tua wo ka in the first place nyame betua wo ka so wo ya di we e kire Ghana for nyame betua wo ka
political dishonesty sankrofo we Sam George okuje to Blackwa omuye to just go for we no dey we dey video we about LGBT.
Lastly, on the LGBT issues, I mean, if you get a nod, how far would you hope to push it? The president, your candidate, when he was interviewed on the BBC, he said he would now look into what is in that bill.
You know, that's a misconception that's been put out. And I listened to that full BBC interview. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill. What the president said to the BBC was in response to why President Akufo-Addo has not signed the bill. And he said to them, look, what President Akufo-Addo should have done, instead of rejecting service of the bill, was to have received the bill, stated what his displeasure is with the bill, which is what the Constitution says. The Constitution in Article 1067, President Mahama in his response to the BBC was referring to the Constitution of Ghana. Article 1067 says that when it gets to the...
enough of this. The person who said this in opposition, where and then in answer Parliament to TM.
Charlie, Jata. Yes, sir. Some of us. How we? Yamiad. Charlie, Biamoko. Hey, now we are with the cameras.
Wait for Penyah before they demanding for the LGBTQ bill to be passed.
Mutie, about LGBT now, walk. President Mahama will not have peace in the position. Mutie, Yanko Bissaum, almost say, you see the arrogance and the cheeky answer. Sam George, they made the same LGBT or ye who demonstration can't say the Sabinanado, no your bronsam, no dear, was LGBT in tune. Now Unim said Bill no, a year say the corner nado echo court, never court, and Mremuno, won't to mean found Zango Shebela say I was Supreme Court, not Supreme Court in Yasam. Oh, the Yansan, Sumaya, these people, you see what they are inside? So the deceit, lies, and wickedness. If you are young, your friends, Sammy James, Munti, about 24-hour economy.
24-hour economy. Yes, John Mahama and this young dream, we are quite. Yabama,
Passport officer here, 24/7, no break. You remember DVL here, 24/7, the same for post. If the yatiti, the quay, no watching 8 hours, no 9, and you may know. Not Captain Smart. I call no 9. I could see 12 a.m. 8 hours. Captain Smart airport and that's a million people. 12 a.m. Every 8 a.m. And she said, where you man of power, money how because I do with me. When you man, you money how because I'm matching with me.
A few moments later.
Let me assure you that it is not the idea of government to take public money and invest in something called 24-hour economy. No. So if you are waiting for us to bring you a document in Parliament saying we are taking so much money to invest in 24-hour economy, you won't see it.
You see? So, video me no share, Sir Sammy George Sam George. Bako LGBT in opposition, what they said. And in power, the Omoka. And then they catch on Ghana for Modia. The BI read that down, so there's more short memory. So name my way me. So as I said, LGBT na 24 hours, I made them feel your kind, yeah, a coin on breakfast on Beboan. A buying Beboana 24 hours, and I hear Juma DVLE, one, ne? A ye, Ayariga, majority, did I say 24 hours, when yet, I dare buying yes or no, a DC Bishop Nemo. A year private, I dare Sam George, a quarter where I was say DVLE, a buying Juma, 4, Juma, 4, nurses, one. I didn't know necessary essential on year 24 hours. Near cancer has a meet them Ghana for. I'm for the beer will be in Pabonana and other neighbors, and then more Casamo Sempa. You see, even the arrogance of Cora almost I show them. Mosempa, yet in me.
Sam George, who see there? Ya bisa say LGBTQ person, and then 7 hour cafe on Sisia, who see ya call bisa or more. Omuna ehiomu what bodam Sam George me see what bodam say bibi how adwin won bibi how adwin what bodam adebe asa no ka kire 2024 no asembe no ka kire 2024 ada o ka say nkwala na because they say why a minister they say no baby awuko bia ukita scanning bag. And they say how hadn't you talk anyhow. I swear heaven and earth. Will match you boot to boot. What bottom? So George, what bottom? Me see LGBT club, LGBTQ plus or say them plus no. I swear heaven and earth. So what my John Mahama Sam I swear that I just saw Mama Yoko Abechimi and I'll be an Abechimi. We don't me, Sam George, what but damn? Because I said no waka tray, say young call bisa or more. Young call bisa or more. What but damn? I said no waka tray. And a refi. Who can interview no refi? When Omuya interview no refi, I said my okayano. Ada ya wu no wuti bo for won Sam George what bodam me catch you what bodam.
NDC MPs are today running away from the LGBTQ bill. Amazing. That's surprising. The NDC that used the LGBTQ against former President Nanado is today running away. It's in Parliament. They should pass it. They've thrown it away. Look, NDC, you will pass this bill. This bill, you campaigned with it, you benefited from it. Sam George, me, I will fight it on Mom. Me. Why are you running away from the bill? When the then majority was calling you, the minority, to come and sit down and see how you can handle this bill, because this bill has repercussions internationally. We all know. You saw it as an advantage to campaign with it. Today, see what the majority leader is saying. Look, it's like Ghanaians have given you more than you expected. So it's like you don't have any regard for Ghanaians now. President John Mahama told us clearly that the very minute this bill is brought before his table, he will sign it. Speaker said that he will make sure that under his watch, this bill is passed. Why are the NDC MPs, more than 2/3, running away from the bill? What is in there that they can't amend? What is chasing them away? That is what Ghanaians want to know. But no matter how they run, but they cannot hide, this bill will live to hunt them.
Nana do time wo minya saa brante ya woda soro ho yi ene oye minister the friend Sam George MPP government amamuo no yenya saa brante we etu nani esi aban no eho ni nyina ye LBT hwan plus Trumu Trumu ema ne ma ware emema ne mema ware papa ye wo gina hoi ena ogitu mu tu no husi ho pa ama Christopher be do abrante ya oda so ye no ye minister yi a wa fe ne bo kenten da ho no wono ane eto aba na NDC ba power enemi busaw NDC wo 2/3 ewo parliament sakasa na wo kan wo na nado tab no otimi abie na no aka bie wa na Sam George uye nya twom papa na wo ka wo mu agana empese bekoso no hu bi da wusu ye kristoni a wonni mu hwe baabrum ebi kura ne kwasie wo kwa asore nanso esanse wo petumi wo de katremade akeka nsem a wa wutrim no wo firi se wa ba besi so a ye wo ka no entumi nya possible na wo katie aban bi se woni de onfa ne nsan hyase mu brei so mu na mukuta majority in parliament pa di asam na wo ka fa ho ah so ye bema a wo hwa mienu eda wa ham akwate da so a sore ne kamenhwe senko lusu uposu no a uye nyaatom na eya miya sa momo se no yutu no edwene se wo mani ma omu so no mo dwene se mo na mo betimi aboa wo nanso utiri mu no wonnim sa asem a wo ka no mo ntumi Sam George uye nyaatom papa mo de maburu na adwene ne edi agro mo di agro nyenye wa amanosem na am oduru baabi na se ye kuro bi mu na akobie wa no kwohye bo se mo ba LBT hwan akew no bode mo nsa be hyase ya ka sa ekobos busumi nwotwe mu anka mo nye no wo ke yetu ade so ana wo dem onye bese so se hwa ewo han mu a okote da so a utimi bu atopa mani yeyi a kasa ho ma yenhwe so akwa no atum
Chede wadwe mame e wo comment section how you Penyah Block Media.